the way in Ibiza, Spain. It's the first day of Vagabond Vacations. We're here with Alessia today and we'll be shooting some pictures in the villa. We got a beautiful villa. So without any further ado, let's go shooting. We're gonna use some foreground elements, which is these beautiful leaves. Looks like a magical forest or something. I will come a little bit closer even. I like it a lot. Let me see if I can get some leaves to put in the front of the picture. Let's see, can we do one where you look a little bit into the light also? Yeah, I like it with the crossed arms. Looks very soft. Look a little bit more with the face towards me. And maybe one where we put the arms more up even. Oh yeah, this looks pretty good. Can you turn the chest a little bit there? It's very important to show the pictures to the model because they know their body and they know how to look best. So really communicate with the model, guys. Very important. Can we take off the slippers, please? I want to make a full body shot also. Sorry, did you wash your feet today, Alessia? Oh, you have to say they are from JC. Can you first turn a little bit more again? Okay, we make a few more wide ones as well to get some variation. And can we do maybe something where you're up with the hand here or something like this? Can we try this one time with the other hand also? If you want, you can hold it also. It looks pretty nice. It's like you're exploring the nature. Yeah, I like it. We got some cool ones. You want to see them?
Super.
Super.
Cool. I like it. Thank you.
Me too. Let's move to other location. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention Very Slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. I kinda see you down on the stairs or something like this to work with the curve. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a very beautiful one. We have a lot of curves also in the picture, which really accentuate the curves in the staircase. I'll make one from here too. Shall I come for a close-up from the face also with a little bit of the body in the background? Looks very beautiful. Soft touches work very good as well. Maybe one from here also. Ooh, can you put your arm one more time to the leg and come towards me? Wait for it. So right now we're really trying to work with the scene and let the scene or the location determine the shot. So we're trying some new stuff, and because you lean off the table we get extra curve. So that's a very good tip. Always have a good look at your environment and then clean up, because in general locations always look nicer when they're clean. Yeah, we're getting there. I'll make one as an example. Oh, it's a very cool shot also. Can you look straight in the lens for me? And can you try to turn the hip a little bit towards me? I think the left arm should be on the table. It looks very vulnerable actually. I will make a few closer ones also. Keep eye contact with the lens also. Go for it. It looks very good. I like it. It's really again. You killed it. You like my slippers? Wait, you want to see the eyes? And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching these shorter POV style photography videos. Alessia, thank you very much. You did a great job. I'm very happy with the pictures and hope you are as well. And as always, ciao ciao. Bye bye.